Hello, Joe here from Scarff Ford and Isuzu, and today we're going to talk about this lovely 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. Let's dive in. The GLE is Mercedes' mid-size luxury crossover SUV. It's the perfect size, plenty of cargo space, plenty of passenger space, luxurious as ever, and there's a wide variety of engines and powertrain options for all different lifestyles. You can get a high-performance one making over 500 horsepower, or you can get a turbocharged four-cylinder like this one has that's fuel efficient and it still has plenty of power. If we all remember the Mercedes-Benz ML series, which was like the first crossover SUV by Mercedes, the ML evolved into the GLE, and for 2021, it was back for its second model year since it was completely redesigned for the 2020 model year, better than ever. It's big, spacious, and part of that efficiency comes from a 2-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine pumping out 255 horsepower. This is a workhorse for Mercedes if we can find this on some of their smaller vehicles like the A-Class and C-Class. And on the larger vehicles, mid-size crossover. Even with 255 horsepower, even though this is the smallest engine, it's still pretty quick, 0 to 60, right around 6 seconds. That's definitely performance car territory. But it's also very fuel efficient, matched to a 9-speed automatic transmission. You'll get up to 26 miles per gallon on the highway. We have that familiar family styling on the front end, the three-pointed star, the grille, the headlight design. We can see these design influences throughout the Mercedes-Benz product line, be it the small sedans and coupes or the crossover SUVs like this GLE. Going towards the rear, we have these nice chrome exhaust finishers for a nice luxurious look. Dark black lacquer piano finish on the bottom, nice contrasting colors. We have a tow hitch on this one. Of course, a power rear liftgate. Being a mid-size, larger than a compact, you have lots of space back here for storage. There is the spare tire well as well. You can get an optional third row seat in these as well. Obviously, this is a 5-seater version. And being a mid-size, you have nice, spacious accommodations in the first and second row. Look at me, I'm 6'2", I got plenty of headroom, plenty of legroom. We have this big roof panel, lots of natural light inside. The sunshade does open, and then the roof panel opens as well. Then we have this nice ambient lighting on the inside. It's adjustable. I think it's like 64 different colors. Really looks cool at nighttime. Kind of elevates your mood. Just kind of sets the mood with colors that just kind of make you happy. A lot of people like these indigo blues and stuff like that. Nice open pore wood trim. Burmester Sound System has these nice metal speaker grills as well. And one of the best seats in the house is the front. Nice, comfortable synthetic leather brought to you by Mercedes. They've been pioneers of synthetic leather all the way since like the 70s or 80s. Where it's almost, some of those earlier ones, it's almost like indestructible how well it's lasted over the years. We can open this power sunshade for more light. Obviously it's a bright day today, but on those dreary overcast days, having more ambient light coming inside definitely elevates your mood, makes you feel happier. We have the more open floor wood trim on the center console, on the dashboard, on the doors. Looks like it's one big screen, but it's actually 2 screens for the infotainment and gauge cluster. It's configurable. You have this controller right here where you can access different menus. It gives you the haptic feedback, or you can use a controller here on the steering wheel, or you can just use your hands. You can use it as a touchscreen. Then on the left side, we have a configurable gauge cluster. You can kind of pick and choose which gauges you want to show up. Pretty cool stuff, as you can see. So much information at your fingertips. You can also change like the theme of the gauge cluster, your sport. The leather up wheel feels great in your hands. Keyless ignition with push button start. We have also, this one has a park assist, making your life so much easier. It will parallel and perpendicular park for you. You can see it will search for a parking spot. Really nice. And then of course we can change different camera views. No reason for scuffing up those beautiful bumpers with all these cameras. Well, thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. We're Scarff Ford and Isuzu, in business since 1922, over 100 years. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of premium vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.